IMPHAL West District Chess Championship 2026 ngasi loishinkhrhe. Championship adu loishinbagi thoram aduda Aribam Mohindro Sharma President, Manipur Chess Association Yambem Arun Singh President, IEDCAN Ex-Secretary MCAH Jogendro Maitai President, Chorchampur District Chess Association Amadi RK Vogan Singh President, IMPHAL West District Chess Association na athoiba mitunglen sing oina saruk yaki. IMPHAL West District Chess Association Senduna the Chess Academy Tera Sapam Nerekta Pangtokiba Championship aduda Under 7 Girls ki oina Rajkumari Lintoy Lingjelai Mathokchom Lintoy Velicia Laurembamna Ahanba Anishuba Amadi Ahum Suba Taki Under 7 Boys kina Rajkumar Thoiba Wang Thoining Themcha Salaiba Loitongbamna Ahanba Anishuba Amadi Ahum Suba Takri Under 19 Girls kidana Nadia Sogaijam Rasmita Hanjabam Amadi Rajkumari Sanghamitra Devina Ahanba Anishuba Amadi Ahum Suba Taki Under 19 Boys kidana Mangal Elangbam William Bam Morangthem Amadi Punsiba Maishnamna Ahanba Anishuba Amadi Ahum Suba Taki Championship aduda Indian Red Cross Society Thobal District Branch Amadi Indian Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch na First Aid Amadi Ambulance Service Mateng Pangli Hairi Championship asida Manipur gi tonganba district singdagi lakpa kung fu amadi jitkunedo sanaroi chaniga yankairomna saruk yaduna athoi ehen tanari Championship asida gold medal fanglaba kung fu sanaroi sing 10 National Kung Fu Championship ta saruk yarugani loinana jitkunedo gi oinasu National Championship ta saruk yarugani hairi